The Little Red Hen. Once upon a time, a little red hen lived on a farm with a lazy cat, a sleepy dog, and a noisy duck. One day, the hen found some grains of wheat and decided to plant them. She asked her friends, "Who will help me plant the wheat?" "Not I," said the cat. "Not I," said the dog. "Not I," said the duck. "Then I'll do it myself," said the little red hen. And she planted the wheat. As the wheat grew, the hen asked for help to water, harvest, and grind the wheat into flour. But each time, the cat, dog, and duck refused. Finally, the little red hen asked, "Who will help me bake the bread?" Again, her friends declined. So, the little red hen baked the bread herself. When it was ready, the delicious smell attracted the cat, dog, and duck. They all wanted to eat the bread. "Who will help me eat the bread?" asked the little red hen. "I will," said the cat. "I will," said the dog. "I will," said the duck. "No, you won't," said the little red hen. "I did all the work, so I will eat it myself." And she did, enjoying the tasty bread.